Hi lovely people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you two different ways by which you can prepare your TZ. Please watch the end and let me know which one you prefer. So I have my pot on fire already and I'm adding some water, and then I'll cover and allow it to boil. Inside this bowl I have some corn flour. So this is corn flour, and here I have cassava flour. To make our porridge for the TZ, I'll be using the corn flour only. So we use only the corn flour to make the porridge. So I make the porridge by transferring some of the flour into a bowl, then I'll mix it with water, and then I'll add it to the boiling water. So that is how we make the porridge for the TZ. This is the consistency of the batter we'll be using for the TZ. So it's not too thick and it's not also too watery. When adding the batter to the hot water, we must stir continuously to make sure there are no lumps or there are minimal lumps. So we stir it continuously in this manner. Otherwise, there will be a lot of lumps in the porridge. This is the perfect consistency for the porridge, so we'll cover this and allow it to boil. Then we can go ahead and stir our TZ. While waiting for the porridge to get ready, I'll go ahead and add the cassava flour to the remaining corn flour. And with dry hands, I'll mix them in this manner to make sure they are evenly mixed. So the quantity of cassava flour you add to the corn flour is dependent on you. If you want a more starchy TZ, then you can add more of the cassava flour. But if you don't want your TZ to be too starchy, you can add small of the cassava flour. As we can see, our porridge has been boiling for some time now. I'll fetch some of the porridge and set aside. Then later I'll pour it back. I'll be pouring the flour gradually into the porridge while stirring at the same time, so we must be careful at this stage, if not there will be a lot of lumps in the TZ. I'll do this gradually until I'm sure the flour I've added is enough for the TZ. So it depends on how thick or light you want your TZ to be. Whenever I add the cassava flour or the kokonte, I want it a bit thicker. So I'll let this be a bit thick, but if you want yours very light, then you can add less of the flour. If you have watched to this point, thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, comment and subscribe. And I would like to know in the comment section if this is how you prepare your TZ. It is now time for me to pour the porridge that I set aside earlier back into the TZ. So I'll pour this back and mix gradually until everything is well mixed. If you are new here, thank you so much for coming, and if you are a returning subscriber, I'm so grateful. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I do not take it for granted at all. Now our TZ is ready. For us to know the TZ is ready, you need to dip our fingers into it, and when it comes out clean, then you know the TZ is ready. We'll now go ahead and serve. You can then go ahead and enjoy your teasers with any soup you have. We enjoyed ours with some dry okra soup. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. This is the pot she'll be using to prepare the teasers. So she's adding some water, then she'll also add sour water to it and cover it and allow it to come to a boil. Right now the water is boiling, so she'll go ahead and prepare porridge. She's using some of the corn flour in addition to the sour water to prepare the porridge. The porridge is ready, so she'll go ahead, cover the pot and allow it to boil very well. Then she can go ahead to prepare the teasers. She is using a different method from the one I know to prepare the teasers. So usually we pour the flour directly into the porridge to prepare the teasers, but in this video she'll be using this batter that she's preparing right now. That's a mixture of flour and some of the sour water. She'll prepare this down and you rather use this to prepare the teasers instead of mixing it with the flour. The porridge is now well cooked, so she will set some aside and use it later. This is the batter she prepared down earlier, so she's going to mix this with the porridge to prepare the teasers. At this point, she's adding the remaining porridge. To check if the teaser is ready, you dip your fingers into it, and when it's not sticky to the fingers, then you know it is ready. The teaser is now ready, so you can enjoy this teaser with any soup of your choice. You could enjoy it with dry okra soup, you could enjoy it with even fresh okra soup. This teaser was served with fresh baobab leaf soup. So if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you.